Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on Cursor AI. I am Luciano from Wiprom, and today I'm going to show you Cursor and how to use its main feature to improve your coding experience. I want to show you a workflow for creating things. In this case, we are going to be creating an app from a product requirement document. We are going to use the Cursor Composer. We are going to delegate the task to the composer. So the idea is to chat with the composer, start to see what is creating, how is going with the work. If we see there is something wrong or something that we want to change, we can interact with the chat and ask for new changes. So starting from, hey, let's build this app based on the instructions file, let's start with the task management functionality. I want to say that the better document you have, the better product requirement document you have, the better result you will get. So let's see. Right now I am using the composer in the agent mode. The difference with the normal mode is that the agent, I think like the agent is more smart than the normal mode. He knows what to do there after. He has more context. Yeah, is a little smarter. So let's see. He's working. I can see that he's creating the types. He's creating components. He's creating more components. Okay, let's see. Let's accept all. Okay, I had my 3 columns to do in progress and done. Taskboard. I can, oh, it creates a model, nice. New task. Description. Okay, super nice. Let's move on with another task. Would you like me to add an issue feature or make any problem? That's great. Let's move on with drag and drop functionality. But don't use any library. Make it native. Okay. It has finished. It has created all the files. Let's see if this is working. So, new task. Oh, there is an error. Let's tell that there is an error. Okay, let's see now. Okay, now it works. Cool. Great. Let's move on to persistent data storage functionality. Okay, let's see. Persisting task. Let's refresh and it is there. Can I edit it? No. Can I delete it? Yes. So now let's move with the final functionality, the responsive design. Let's see if this is being responsive. Well, I think he already made it. Yeah. Okay. He was a step behind. Cool. So yeah, that's all. I think that this is really interesting and awesome, because now if we have a really good if we have our project defined really well, we can start delegating tasks, and we can save a lot of time to development time. So thank you so much for everything, for watching all these videos. Have a wonderful life.